Hey, what's good, YouTube, man? It's Glow, man, and we back with another video. But as y'all can see by the thumbnail and title, I'm 1v1 of my brother. And I forgot that I didn't have my mic on during the 1v1. So during the whole video, it'll just be music. Not the whole video, but just the 1v1 portion. Because at the end of the video, I'll have just like a little vlog of the day. So we was at my nephew's birthday party this day. I tried to vlog the whole thing. I just had my mic on some parts and then I turned it off. So it didn't have everything. But that shouldn't stop y'all from watching the video. Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all boys enjoy. I appreciate y'all if y'all stick around to the end. And yeah, let's get into the video.
He been acting crazy, acting lazy, thinking what he own. He been losing for a while, now that nigga losing hope. Bitch, they kicked him out the crib, he don't got nowhere to go. Why he planning out they future, another nigga in the throat. Got him thinking that he matters, so he felt that shit the most. Tables turn, he flexing, now whoever thought he'd be the GOAT. Now she thinking, looking stupid, thinking why she doing wrong. Damn, why the fuck she doing wrong? Gots to see it through, now he gots to see it through. Miss my nigga Chris, wish he was gon' see what I'm gon' do. Every time he touch down, go to man up in the city. Last year around this time, nigga, you was riding with me. Now I'm riding all alone, and it still feel like you with me. Always seeing things bigger, gotta see the bigger picture. Get rich or die trying, I got power like I'm 50. I be balling Derek Fisher, silencer sound like a whisper. Now it's time to give him pain, just give him pain. Why he mad at me about that bitch? Boy, we been a thing. Why you walk around this bitch? You gotta watch a vicious game. They like, why you moving? How you moving, boy? Cause shit done changed. Wait a minute, niggas, bitches, that's my medication. Shorty, I become my dreams. Why the fuck would I go chase it? Left my heart with this one bitch. Feel like I'm in different places. Yeah, I swear I'm heaven sent, but I learned my ways from Satan. Met this bad MILF bitch, boy, I met her on vacation. Yeah, she partying and shit. She ain't really good with aging. Never feel obligated to meet someone's expectation. I be solo dolo around this bitch. Ain't got time to fake it. Take my time, I know I got it. Man, it's just gonna take some patience. And this shit for long run, marathon, boy, I won't race it. I won't race it. I say, look, they say guys like us don't never get the girl. That's not true, I took that nigga bitch, like that little world. Then you lose him, how you get him? I guess she was never thorough. Dark skinned and went blind, Mary J blocked my chocolate swirl. Caught a nut, then I ran, but I'm nothing like no squirrel. Tried to teach her, she ain't listen, she had too many referrals. I said a lot of bitches, no, not uno, had to make it plural. Begged her not to smoke her life away, but her love in that pearl. Live a stress-free life when you let these bitches choose. Got me asking God why all these styles be so cool. Had to let her know I'm really him, and I'm not old dude. Met her ass at 10 a.m. was on them jet skis by noon. Lot of women think I'm mean, lot of women think I'm rude. Your perception of me, a reflection of you. Should I run the other way if I'm the smartest in the room? How you call yourself a man? No progression to improve. Just trying to get rich, Joe. Just trying to get rich, Joe. Keep them pockets big swole. Keep them pockets big swole. They all laughed at me. I was wearing big clothes. Now I stay hitting all the bad thick hoes. Old part of me still in love with who you used to be. What you do to me, certain shit that be confusing me. Yeah, it's consequences for your fucked up screwing me. I don't understand you. Yeah, you really losing me. They say guys like us don't never get the girl. That's not true, I took that nigga bitch, rocked that little world. Then you lose him, how you get him? I guess she was never thorough. Dark skinned and went blind, Mary J blocked my chocolate swirl. They say guys like us don't never get the girl. That's not true, I took that nigga bitch, rocked that little world. Then you lose him, how you get him? I guess she was never thorough. Dark skinned and went blind, Mary J blocked my chocolate swirl. They say guys like us don't never get the girl. That's not true, I took that nigga bitch, rocked that little world. Then you lose him, how you get him? I guess she was never thorough. Dark skinned and went blind, Mary J blocked my chocolate swirl.
Keep that shit low key, too. your money, where your mouth at? Where your cart, where your jewelry, where your house at? She tryna give me out some cheese, that's a mouse trap. She probably want a wedding ring, I highly doubt that. I blew like half my deal money, had to bounce back. Back ballin', right back in this bitch like where the scouts at. He said he caught me slipping, but I really can't even count that. 80-inch TV in the crib, can't really mount that. Rob my plug for a zip of dopey on his ounce back. Airbnb host seen we threw a party, this nigga want his house back. City nigga said he want a feature, but I know he capped. This little nigga left his bitch around, you know we smacked. I was tryna get high, but it's weed. I got a drone in his hood looking for ops, orbital VSAT. I'm drunk as hell leaving the club, where my keys at? With all this ghetto rapping going on, we need Alicia Keys back. But bitches tried to get me change back, like I need that. I make most of my money off of scamming, I don't need rap. Right now, I'm on Telegram hunting, cause I need glass. I'm fucked up cutting the check out the paper, this a rough draft. I would take her out in public, she got no class. Bro ain't cover his plates when he drop with his slow ass. I got this one bitch that we can call, she be on go fast. I need a new cook, look at his fonts, they got no mask. He broke his heel, he got on Tinder and got no matches.
You gonna mess with my camera, huh? Say what's up. All right, bite me.
Don't bite.
This the birthday boy, DJ. You like your birthday party? But y'all, I'm finna show y'all what's going on. We got a little goodie bags. DJ, back up. Put it back. Put it back. This is mine, not yours. Nothing too much going on, just family for his birthday. Ugh. They did decent though. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm gonna have to cut it up because of copyright music. Yeah, I hope my mic was on that whole time. It probably wasn't though. Do a flip, Kai. Huh? Do a flip. That shit was weak as hell. I'm gonna show you how to flip. Oh. Camera down. Put it up. There we go. Damn, Nick. Watch out. I could really do more, y'all. I'm tired of shit. Now I'm finna go ball. I'm finna go ball these niggas. Look at them. He finna break that bitch. He finna break that bitch, y'all. I'm finna go ball these niggas. That's next. Then the nigga miss. Y'all, can't none of y'all watching this video really fuck with me. So if y'all see this video and you think you can beat me, let me know. And I'm gonna 1v1 you and I'm gonna beat you in a video. Oh my God. Dang, Joe. And I got it on camera. Shoot again. All right. All right, y'all, so quick intervene. We at my bro, Donnie crib. We finna do some rat work. We in the garage. This is big 1500. And y'all, like I said, if the lighting keep changing, it's just cause I keep changing my settings, trying to get it right. But we over here, finna get this fixed up for him. If y'all can see it, I gotta fix my light. But he tried to wrap it himself, and he messed up. Oh yeah, but we finna get it done. I might set the camera up for y'all just so y'all can see what I do. My tools right here. It's all y'all need for real. Let me see. All right, bro. All right, y'all. So I might set it up, I might not, but I'm finna get it prepped, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Y'all can't even hear me right now. I just dropped y'all boys. I'm finna set y'all up. My camera is on 18% though. We still in Decatur right now. But yeah, I don't know where I put my knife at. All right, y'all, we gotta lock in. Come ahead, get it right. So first thing first, gotta dissect, see what you gotta do. And we ain't gonna take the whole thing off. We're just gonna do this little area right here. I hope I ain't too loud for y'all. We're gonna do this small area right here. You gotta be delicate so you don't scratch nothing. You feel me? I'll probably just fast forward this part for y'all. All right, y'all boys, so this what it look like now. As y'all see, it's good in that area. I cut this. At first I was gonna do this, but it looked better like this, the whole thing. But as y'all can see, looking good. Everything else looked good on here before fact, but it's that area. But just it looked better. Y'all know who to hit, man. I can do something fast too. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so it's later. I'm at my brother's house. This is the birthday boy. His party was today, as y'all can see. Stormy, what you scared of? His party was today, so y'all drop happy birthday in the comments. It wasn't his birthday today, but his party was today. This boy keep replaying this dang song. DJ, replay it one more time. Nigga, give me that tape. Ain't no more of that. Ain't no more. Give me that tape, nigga. Give me that tape, nigga. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight me. Don't fight me. But, yeah, y'all, so this probably the end of the vlog. Camera finna die, so I won't be able to record no more. DJ say I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Move. Oh, you pushing me out the way? Say bye. Look at the camera. Say bye. Alright, y'all boys, I'm gonna get up with y'all tomorrow, day 3. I'm on.
Settling. And it's like I'm booted up and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past like that shit even close to relevant. Keep that shit in between me and you or you gon' trip without no evidence. And I pull up on you, girl, you know I'm so bad with my scheduling. Adrenaline kicking in before I stop, I'ma keep on pedaling. Second that's been kicking my ass, I don't know the habits I'm developing. Everybody's all across my city, it's so much blood that I'll be skilled.